Tell me something.
We're trying to get them to eat. Aww.
Speaking of eating, we haven't ate yet
We
today.
haven't eaten, and I think it's after midnight, and
I'm gonna go make us PB&Js, and you're trying to get a pig to eat.
one of them's close to it now. She's just not having it. I don't know what to do.
She will have it. She will have it, Jamie.
I hope so.
She hasn't had it yet. Maybe we should pull a little hay back, Tim.
No, she's trying to get comfortable herself, I think. I don't know why she's not letting them drink.
She's huge. I can't believe she's done. Only 4 little piggies. I don't know. Maybe I can help to set this up a little bit. It's about 20 degrees outside, and of course we're having baby pigs, and it's about an hour after delivery, and we still haven't been able to get the baby pigs to latch on yet, and we're getting kind of nervous because we got no milk, no bottles, and we're not ready. We're gonna be more ready next time, huh, Jen?
Yeah, I think so. Thirsty, baby. Thirsty, Pamela.
Oh, lay down, Mama. Lay down for her, Mama. I think she wants it too, Jane.
I hope
Give us some milk, Mama. What cutest little pigs around, Jane.
I don't know. They're so tiny. What in God's green earth are we gonna do if she doesn't feed them?
Yeah, she's gonna feed them. Does she have the capability of rolling the other direction while she's in this position?
I'm
Like,
watching.
could she just roll over and...
It's hard for her to do that.
Right, so she can't do that.
Yeah, it's really hard. I'd be able to grab them beforehand.
I just want her to roll and be on the other side, you know?
I know.
I want her to like just turn into this.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna be exhausted tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's worth it though, huh?
Yeah. She's shaking.
Everybody wants that heat, Jane. It's 55 degrees in here. 3 hours into the piggies not eating, we were getting real nervous. We were counting hours until Walmart opened up. That was a half hour away, and like things were getting pretty hectic. But much to our delight, finally, I don't know, out of nowhere, it just happened.
So good. I'm so proud of you, baby. And this one wants that one down there. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There. Yeah, they all got one now. Oh, Spamela, you're doing so good. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. Oh.
Duke. Yeah, that.
You're doing so good.
They are like the size of a banana.
Smaller than an anner.
I was gonna say an apple,
Like
but
this
they're
is
more
up to my
shaped
hand. They're it's the length of my hand.
tiny. Like a banana.
You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They're just fighting over a nip. It's okay. They're just fighting over a nip. Come here. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Here, I help. I'll help. Come on. You're doing good. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm helping. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, all right? Yeah. You're doing good, okay? You are. It's okay. It's okay. They're happy they got food in their belly. They're happy they got food in their belly.
You know, we'd play video games where when you had a baby, you had to make 10 campfires around that baby just for it to hatch and stay alive.
Right?
I see where it's coming from now with the heater fans and the light and the... Crazy, huh?
It is. It totally is. We got like 3 heat. I'm warm.
Well, yeah, we got a horseshoe of heat over here, just like in the video games, I guess.
This is the most precious thing in the world.
Yeah, you're doing really good work, Jan. I say the best tech,
I knew she just needed to relax. I mean, she
Relax.
just gave birth.
but rubbing the belly there to get her to lay down, we should have known that's how we get her to lay
Well,
down.
that's what I've been doing. But every time you put them up to her, she just wasn't ready for it. You know, she just gave labor.
Oh, yeah.
And I think she's a little scared. She doesn't want to hurt them. Like every time they squeak, she like freaks out.
It's nice when they're all 4 latched
It's
because
okay. It's okay.
I feel like she can feel that they're latched.
Yeah. You're a good girl. Good mama. Good mama. Good mama. Okay.
Latch them up.
Okay. Right here. It's okay. It's okay. You're doing good. You're blocking them. I like that too. You keep that hay right there. You blocked them. I saw what you did. You are a smart pig. You said drink, babies, because this is all you're getting for a little bit. Drink, babies, because this is all you're getting for a little bit. Yeah. It's okay. I'll move it. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. 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 You're doing good. Oh, good mama. Oh, that was such a good mama. That was such a good mama. Look at how happy they are now. Look at how happy they are now. They're like, Mama fed me. I got a little bit of food in my belly. I got a little bit of food in my belly. Oh, that one's the biggest one.
That's the biggest
That's
one
like a
right
full
there.
pounder, baby girl.
Rub this side of the belly.
I know, but she's done for now, she's saying. Give her a minute, okay? She's got to get the other nipples now because those nipples are empty.
Well, I don't know how we can
I
accomplish
don't know.
that one.
Yeah, this way, right here. Come here, this way. Here, that's how you do it, yeah? There you go. You're such a good mama. Oh, look at you, precious. Look at, those are your babies. Oh my gosh, I thought this was never gonna happen, ever. I never thought this was gonna happen. Like, I thought I was just joshing myself, like they weren't really pregnant.
Right.
You're doing good, baby girl. You got 2 more that want to eat, okay? You got 2 that are belly full right now, okay? You're doing so good. And then after this, we'll let you rest for a little bit, okay? Yeah, right there's one. Right there. Right there. That might be empty. They might have emptied that one. Because that's why she's not liking it.
Thank you. Thank you, Spaniel.
Did she fart? They're fighting over the same teat, baby girl. And this one says, nope, you move there. Oh my goodness, you're such a good mama. Oh, Spamla, I knew you'd be good mama. I know you'd be good mama. There you go. Oh, she likes it. Come on, suck, suck. There you go, that's it. You gotta suck. There you go, you got it. Ooh. Trying to get those other nipples out for them. I know, Spam. Oh, those boobies feel a little empty. This one's got something.
Yep. You're like, get off, that's mine.
That one's getting it now. Because they empty. And she might know that they're emptied. Because she's like trying to get up more and more for the bottom nipples, but I think she's just comfortable laying on this side more.
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this.
Oh, we got that infrared light on. It's that time. Time says 10 a.m. I think we've been sitting here since.
Good girl.
What time do you think we got here, Jane?
Last night?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
3?
I was gonna say 2. Maybe
2?
It was 3.
We've been here for a grip.
Yeah.
We're trying to sneak naps in once in a while, and we got this box going on. I don't know. We don't want to lose any. We only got 4.
Yeah.
So far, we have a 100% success rate, and everybody's getting a little teat. She wasn't into it at first, but now she's more into it.
Yeah, she's doing really good.
I'd say about every hour we're doing this. But hey, man, this kid is shoot. I can't even believe it.
Yeah, it's cute. Smile for me, boo-boo.